Today I wanted to go over this ACFX 4-car runner pack from Microtrains. Just their standard offering. Runner packs, it's a nice way of getting something with different road numbers. They look pretty good in the box. Standard packaging, nothing fancy here. The usual good detail. It's a nice thing about Microtrains is they seem to are pretty consistent with their level of detail. Consistent. Next thing we want to check, of course, is the wheel gauge. Which this looks right on, as I would expect. And we also need to check the coupler height. I would think that being truck mounted couplers, Microtrains line using their couplers and their coupler height gauge, it would be perfect. And certainly looks pretty good. I wouldn't say it's absolutely perfect. But it's certainly not going to come uncoupled in a change in grade. So all in all, these look really nice. Worth the money. And here they are. The train, here they come in a Pan Am Railways train, heading for someplace like the Batten Kill, hauling grain. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button. If you hit the bell icon, you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And please leave a comment. I'd like to hear from you, and maybe if you make suggestions, I'll make a video about something that interests you.